kijing tip bat ki khobor ki baman la kasni na khwasi ka channel sing ba subscribe na manta.
I'm not sure as far as the allocation of time is concerned. So we are informed that the government does not have much business, which is why the number of days is being decided to be 5 days only. However, sir, as members of the opposition, we know that this is too short a time for us to raise many important issues concerning the state and its people. Over and above that, most of the members belonging to the Treasury bench also, they are actively participated in the assembly proceedings. So it is very difficult for us, therefore, sir, to find a space to raise many important issues. I've just gone through the start question that have been listed here, which is supposed to be taken up on the 19th. Your officer has listed up to 60 questions, and personally I have submitted 20 questions to be discussed in this August House, which are very important issues for the people of the state. But I know that I'll be able to get only one out of the 60, and the rest may not even get to discuss their issues, sir. So, sir, what I feel is that it would be, in the best interest of the people that the House is sitting more days and the timing is increasing, so that we can dispose, at least if not all the issues that we are supposed to raise, but 70–80% should be able to be disposed and discussed and raised in this August House. So there are many issues which we have to, request the people that we will not be able. So much of issues have